welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite dishes and ideas. Delicious. This one named Delicious. Tasted, flavors, everything is amazing. Anyway, I'm gonna talk about it right now. I have some fresh homemade pancake which I made earlier, and then I have some ice cream left over, strawberry bits and pieces. I want to make a nice delicious dessert, and hopefully you guys will like it. Please subscribe and leave your comments down in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, so stay tuned, and any comments, please leave it in the comments box, guys. We read the comments, and if it doesn't reply, we read it and we take action when we read. All right, so thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Show. So stay tuned. I love you guys. So basically, I just made this pancake earlier. I'm gonna put the video on my YouTube channel about the pancake. All right, so they get cold a little bit now, but that's fine. But I want to show you guys, I'm going to make a dessert from my pancake. I have some strawberry left over, which I'm going to be using also. So basically, if you get the strawberry and simple, cut them up like this. I've been doing a lot of dessert over the last couple of weeks on my other YouTube channel them. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. Cut them up like this. So that's one strawberry, and then I'm gonna do another one like this. Once I cut them up very small, like this, just gonna give you some tips and ideas what you need to do with strawberry at home. All right, guys, because this is very important to some of the fans. And you know, sometimes you're at home and you want to make your missus something really nice, or you know what I mean, you have like a special meal in the evening. This is some tips and ideas where you guys can use. Very, very important. So once you get the strawberry, you want to kill some of that sourness. You just put a teaspoon of sugar on it. That's gonna bring in a nice, like a lovely flavor. So what I'm going to do, just give it a little mix like this, and put that for rest for about 5 seconds. In the meantime, what I'm going to do, this is my pancake them I made them from today, and I'm going to put the video on my YouTube channel. All right, about my pancake them. If you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, you can see every day when I make stuff. That's where I post them first. All right. Second thing, I have what 4.3 million view on my pancake recipe, so you can check out that on my YouTube channel also. So what I'm going to do, just give back these a little bit of warmness. That's all I'm going to do right now with this pancake. Little bit of warmness in the microwave. So roughly about 2 to 3 seconds. All right. In the meantime, this is getting. This is what you want to do when you're doing any kind of. Anytime you're doing any kind of strawberry and you want to bring a lovely flavor to it, do it this kind of way. Put this one side. All right. That's the microwave. I got some ice cream left over, and I love this kind of ice cream. Salted caramel ice cream. I love it. Nice one. So once you get the pancake warm, cut into 4. Pull it apart like this. See that? All right, that's exactly what you want to do. Once you do that, then all you need to do is get some chocolate syrup and just do a thing like this. All right. And next thing, get your strawberry and put it straight inside of the milk like this. Make sure you have enough space. Alright, guys, so this is exactly what you want to do. Wicked recipe this. Then ice cream. This is only from Chef Ricardo. You can't find this from no one else in a. That's what I said. Right now I'm one of the biggest top chef on the internet at the moment. Why people keep saying that, I don't know why. But everybody happy about Chef Ricardo at the moment. Alright? About my recipe and about my ideas I've been sharing with the fans. Once you do that, if you have a little bit more strawberry, I'm gonna use a little bit of fresh cream. Sorry for the treatment like that, but I saw your thing set. Then I'm gonna get the same milky syrup and just do a thing like this. Any bit of strawberry left back, cut him up into 4 without the color palette. So yeah, you see this? Look at this. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Alright guys, don't waste the time. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your comments in the description box, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. I will see you next time in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo with more recipes and more ideas. Bye bye.